Wondering about the right time to call the professionals for garage door repair near me? The jaggedness of the garage door may pose threat to the safety of your house, as the door will not close properly. It may happen due to misaligned or broken rollers or due to worn out cables. The rusted or broken torsion springs may even cause this problem. Hence, it is essential to contact the professionals as soon as possible after noticing a crooked garage door. If you are wondering when to call the experts for garage door repair near me, you may be able to get in or out of the house despite having a crooked garage door and may decide that this is not the right time to call the experts for garage door repair near me. This delay may cause an accident, as a crooked garage door may suddenly come down and may fall on someone or something. This may cause serious injuries and damage. Hence, it is essential to call the professionals of garage door repair as soon as possible after noticing the unevenness of the garage door. This will prevent the damage from progressing, as it will become difficult and expensive to repair significantly crooked garage door. A garage door may tilt or shift to one side if the torsion spring breaks. Every garage door has two torsion springs. They either remain at the center of a garage door or remain on both sides. The torsion springs that remain at the top and on both sides of a garage door are called extension springs. Both types of torsion spring aid in the opening or closing of a garage door. The torsion springs will wind or unwind depending upon your action and will pull the garage door along the tracks. If one of the torsion springs break, then the garage door will be tilted to one side when opening or closing. In this scenario, you may wonder about the right time to call the professionals of garage door repair near me. Both of the torsion springs have to work properly if you want the garage door to open and close evenly. Therefore, one torsion spring has to bear the additional load if another spring is broken. This additional pressure will damage the properly functioning torsion spring. Therefore, it is essential to repair the damaged or broken torsion spring on time. If you are wondering about when to call the professionals of garage door repair near me, a garage door may even become jagged when opening or closing and can remain in this state due to frayed or worn out cables. These cables enable the torsion springs to work properly when raising or lowering a garage door. Therefore, a torsion spring that is attached to a worn out or frayed cable will not work and a garage door will stay uneven. Hence, it is important to retain the professional services. If you are wondering about whether or not to call the certified technicians for garage door repair near me,